I've gotten my nose pierced like a couple of times, and each time, just before they pierce, I'm like, no!
Yeah.
Wait. And I'm like, okay, go. And I'm like, no, wait. So it happens every time. Don't panic or think it's not gonna happen. I will get it pierced, it just takes me a while. This one did nothing. Yeah.
I've always been a little wild, always known to out my mind. They always said, be careful, child, what you seek you sure will find. Nimekosa mtu wangu, kuniambia kweli we, nakupenda penda sana, ni mapenzi milele. When did I get so lonely? I'm worried, I'm losing my mind. Just hoping and waiting to feel safe and inspired. Giving my heart before I lost it each time. But this time I'll be fine, I'm tired of being lonely. I've always wondered where the line is between being precious with my time, building walls far too high, I can't see the other side. Nikikaa peke yangu siwezi jua kama mi naeza kaa na watu kawa naeza kaa na mimi tu. When did I get so lonely? I'm worried, I'm losing my mind. Just hoping and waiting to feel safe and inspired. Giving my heart before I lost it each time. But this time I'll be fine, I'm tired of being lonely. When did I get so lonely? 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 Yeah.
I think living in Pori has made me remove boundaries I'd set for myself before, or the idea of myself as an artist has expanded because of living in Pori. Because all the artists I've met are not just artists. Like no person is in one band. Everyone is in like 3 different bands, and no band is the same. So someone is in a noise band, and then in like a jazz electro band, and then in like an 8-person full-on band. And then all those people are also artists who make like exhibitions and do paintings, and then I don't know. And everyone is an artist in one way or another, even if it's just thinking or doing stuff that they don't necessarily show anyone. So when I came here, I was like a musician. I don't even know if I would have called myself an artist, but then hanging around in Pori, I realized that just because of my mind and the weirdness of it, and meeting so many other people who are just weird in their minds excellently, I was like, I am an artist. And then talking to people about ideas, I didn't have to limit myself. I didn't have to like hold anything back. I could just be like, and here's an idea, and here's an idea. And then if there's not a way to do it, then there's somebody who has had an idea that's similar or something that's interesting. So how I think of myself as an artist now is just as somebody who's exploring ideas or exploring concepts or trying to think of ways to share a moment or a space, whether it's music with a band or dancing when I'm listening to an epic band, or going to practices or going to exhibitions and then consuming so much information and knowledge and ideas from other artists, like that collaboration of you see something amazing and interesting, and then I have an idea. And then afterwards, after the exhibition opening or after the performance, I sit down and I talk to the people who are doing it. And it's like such a community of interesting, interactive, connected artists that are constantly working with each other, with other people, and it's just really expanded my idea of what it means to be an artist in a community, what it means to be an artist by yourself, and how sharing ideas makes every idea so much better. If that answers your question. That was so cool, because I did take it easy. You made me laugh. Can't sleep, Enda. Okay, I got this. Okay. There. Yay! Bye-bye. Bye.
box, pack the lies, making sure I'm alone inside. I follow her wherever she goes, only to find not even she knows I am indifferent to my own demise. Faulty, oh, It's a symbol made up of lies, woven together to bend and supply. And all of the truth we keep inside, they bring me closer to the divine. I wanted to find peace in my soul, got there and found a heart of gold. Sold it for shillings at the dollar store. Took all my shillings and bought me some more. Understanding, confidence, a healing, reaching, feeling too. I am indifferent to my own demise. Faulty hold for faulty lies. I wear my shields up, never true. What is by design? We live our life quoting hymnals, thinking if we don't feel die. Oh, we'll die. Oh. I never know what to do with my face afterwards.